and welcome to my channel, Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all well. Today is first video of 3 video series, and in this video we are going to make coaster blanks. The second video is going to be about making silicone molds, and the third we are going to pour resin in molds and make coasters. So without further ado, let's begin. We are going to need a drying clay, shape for coaster blanks. I'm using cookie cutter, a rolling pin, and some kind of thickness guides. In my case, I'm using coasters that are about 1 centimeter thick, which is the perfect thickness for my project. And also we're gonna need a leaf for the pattern that I'm gonna make on top of the coasters. I think this is magnolia leaf that I collected last winter. If you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my further videos. I'm making these coaster blanks out of air drying clay. I think it's a unique way to do it, and I actually haven't seen anybody else doing this. The only reason was to use air drying clay was because I have a leaf that I will imprint later on it and make a pattern. So I needed some soft material, and why not this air drying clay? This is about 3-4 days later. It says on the package that this particular air dry clay dries in 24 to 48 hours, but because in my workplace is quite humid, it takes a bit longer, and it's okay, I don't mind. I just wait until it's completely dry. So now I'm just taking it out from the cookie cutter shape. And here we have it. Beautiful coaster blank. Just a bit sanding to make the edges smoother. But I like it a lot. This print is very, very beautiful. I like nature and I like organic things. Next step is to spray the ready blank with this spray, which is made to protect and seal, and after about 3 to 4 coats it was ready for the next stage. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep creating. Bye!